Hello and welcome. Welcome back if you are a regular visitor of this beautiful channel JEFY, Javed's English for you. In today's video lecture, I will be showing you how to fill up the front page of your answer paper. For the past so many years, I have been doing duty as an invigilator. So I have noticed one thing, that there are a lot of students who do so serious mistakes that their answer books can be rejected. Yes, I am not joking. They commit so serious mistakes that their answer papers can be cancelled. Apart from this, as an examiner, I have also been checking papers for a very long time, and as an examiner, I have also noticed the same thing. What? That students perform so grave, so serious mistakes that there are always chances that their answer books might get rejected, might get cancelled. So in today's video lecture, we are going to see how to fill up the front page of our answer book, which pen to use, blue or black, or is there any other option, what to write on the first page, what not to write on the first page, how to paste the holocraft, how to paste the sticker, and apart from this, a lot of other information is going to be shared. So if you guys like the lecture, please press that like button and do not forget to comment on the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it now. Now let's begin writing the front page of our answer book. So dear students, the very first thing you do as soon as you receive the paper, as soon as you get the paper, is to check the answer paper. Okay, check if it is okay, if it is not folded here and there, if it is not rolled up, or if it is not torn up. Okay, remember, if you write 2, 3, 4 pages and then you notice that your answer book is torn up or it's folded and it's difficult to write on it, then it might be a problem for you. So the best thing is to check it before you write anything on the paper. Okay, once you check the entire paper from start to the end and you are satisfied with it, then start writing. Now which pen to use? There are two colors which are allowed, blue and black. Remember, apart from this, you cannot write in any other color. Okay, and before you start writing, there is one more thing. Write clearly, especially on the first page, so that it becomes easier for the reader to read it. Okay, so let's start with the top section. Here the very first thing that we notice is center number. Okay, it is written on your hall ticket, so do see it on the hall ticket and write it here. For example, your center number is 4235, then write it here. The next thing, seat number. Now there are two sections for it. Here you have to write it in figure and here you have to write it in words. Now these numbers 0, 1, 2, these numbers are in figure, and these ones in the red color, they are in words. Remember, so the first section is for seat number in figure. Now suppose your seat number is R320230, you have to write it here. Okay, the next, in words. If you are confused how to write it in words, then it is also written on your hall ticket. Okay, no need to worry. Now focus here. I have written TH. It's acronym, it's short form for 1000, because the space is very limited here, so you can write TH for 1000. In the same way, you can write HUN for 100, because the space once again is limited. Now the very next thing that you have to do is sign here. Look, candidate's signature. You are the candidate, so you have to sign here. You have to leave this blank. Supervisor's signature. The invigilator sir in your hall, in your examination hall, will sign here. So you have to leave this place. Sign where candidate's signature is written. Okay. After that, focus here, subject. Suppose your subject is English, write it. Paper, you have to write the number of your paper. Say it's your first paper, okay? Then first. Date, suppose the date of your English paper is 21st of February 2022. And next, language of answer. You are going to write your English paper in English language. So let's write here English. Now once you have written your paper and say you have used one supplement, then you will write it here 1. Main book, this one, plus supplement 1. 1 plus 1, you will write 2 here. Suppose you do not use a supplement, then main answer book 1, number of supplement 0, total in figure 1. Now suppose you take 2 supplements, then you will write 2. So main answer book 1 and number of supplements 2, that is total 3, like this. Now after this, look at this section. You need not write anything here, okay? Malpractice in red ink. This is not for you. In the same way, there is no need to write anything here, okay? In the same way, this section. Let's see examiner. The examiner of this paper will write marks here. The moderator of this paper will write marks here. So there is no need to put even a single dot here, okay? This place is not for you. There is one more thing. Say if your paper has a set code A, B, C or D, then here there will be a box. You have to write it here. Suppose your paper is set A, then you will have to write A here, and once again here, somewhere here there will be a box. On this answer sheet there is no box because this is a sample answer sheet, okay? Here in the upper section you can see that it is a sample answer sheet, okay? In your answer sheet this box will not be there, okay? Now look at this, paste the barcode sticker here. You have to paste the sticker here. This is where most of the students get confused. There is no need to worry. Paste the sticker properly here. If you think you will not be able to do that, take the help from your invigilator sir. He will paste the sticker here and the holocraft here, and if you think you can do it, then go for it, okay? Paste it properly. When you receive the sticker, check for the right side, okay? Now I do not have a sticker, so just imagine that this one is a sticker, okay? Now look at this box. You have to paste the sticker here, okay? Properly. We will apply it, we will fix it here, okay? Now before you paste the holocraft, make sure that you have written everything and the supervisor sir has already signed here. Okay, let's say it is supervisor sir's signature. Now you have to paste your holocraft here. Imagine this one is a holocraft, so there must be a symbol here. Do check the right side. Okay, if this one is not the right side up, you can turn it, and when you are sure that this one is the right side up, look at the box and paste it here. Now what I would stop you from doing is to put a symbol here. Okay, I have seen enough students, they write something here, or even if they do not write, they just draw a symbol or a number or something so that they can identify their paper. This can be the reason for the cancellation of this paper. Remember, you cannot put even a single dot here, actually anywhere except the provided place. Okay, there should not be any kind of like hint to know that this is your paper. Okay, now look at this UID. There is one more sticker that will be pasted here, but that's not your headache. Your invigilator sir will paste that sticker here, so no need to worry about it. Okay, check for the information if you have time, whether you have written it properly. And there is one more thing actually. Now look at this margin. This margin is sufficient to write your answers. While checking the answer books, while doing the duty of an invigilator, I have seen a lot of students, they draw one more margin here, they sometimes draw one more margin here. So there is no need to draw so many margins here. If you are writing a language that is from left to right, for example Hindi, Marathi or English, this margin is more than sufficient. Okay, or if you are writing in a language which is written from right to left, for example Urdu, then there is need for just one margin here. Do not waste this space by drawing a lot of margins. This section that you can see upwards, it's not for you. Do not write anything here. You should write the question number here and answers from here. Okay, once you are done with your paper, you have written the paper, then you can check the entire paper from the first page to the very last if each and every question has been attempted. Okay, in this way you will handle your answer sheet. So dear students, this is how we fill up the front page of our answer book, and I am also hopeful that you would like the lecture. If you do, please press the like button, comment on the video and subscribe the channel. For listening the lecture so carefully, thank you, shukriya.